How to use AbcProxy in GeeLark. First of all, you need to register and log in to the official website of AbcProxy. After logging in, you need to click on AbcProxy's dashboard. Click Get Proxy in the left navigation bar. Click API Extraction. Click Extraction Quantity to select the number of IPs you want to extract. Click Select Region to select the country you want. But of course you can choose random. Click to select IP mode. You can choose rotating or sticky according to your needs. Click to select the other settings that meet your needs. Click on protocol to select the IP protocol you want. You can choose SOX2 or HTTPS. Once all the options are selected, click Generate API link. Click on the open link. Click Copy link. Next, please switch to GeeLark. Click on Proxies in the left navigation bar. Click Add Proxy in the proxy list. Enter the link you just copied here. Click on Proxy Tests and test successfully. Join today.